Hello and welcome to FDTV. We are back again with another episode of our daily football show. I'm your host Ali, joined with my fellow co-host Jawad. Jawad, how are you doing today?
I'm doing exceptional. Looking forward to the new football season. Some seasons have already kicked off. We are waiting for a few others to kick off. So without any further ado, make sure to hit the thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button as well. Let's get into it.
So the biggest news shocked the football world about a week ago when Lionel Messi left the Spanish league to join PSG in a disturbing transfer for all Barcelona fans around the world. This leaves a lot of questions which are unanswered. Can Atletico Madrid retain their league? I think this is the best time as any for Diego Simeone's men to claim the top spot in the Spanish league. Real Madrid obviously have weakened their squad in the same transfer market. So who do you think takes the top spot in the La Liga this season?
Even though the bookies have got Real Madrid winning the title, I don't see any pointing evidence that Real Madrid takes the title. They've got a very aging squad. They've got a great protagonist up front in Karim Benzema, who might not be able to keep up the levels that he was producing last season. They've lost their walls in the back in the likes of Sergio Ramos and obviously Rafael Varane to Manchester United. Now, with that said, they have replaced with one good defender, David Alaba, right? But they are still losing the midfield battle. Feels like specifically with Ancelotti at helm, a transition period at best, with both teams in Barcelona and Real Madrid trying to actually find their feet, but neither one of them actually succeeding. Now, let's talk about Barcelona in the same phase. They've lost the greatest player in their history in Lionel Messi. No other team has actually strengthened in La Liga. The only team that has from last season is Atletico Madrid, retaining all of their players and obviously adding a brilliant midfielder in Rodrigo de Paul. For those of you who don't know, just go ahead and watch his highlights and see the vision that he possesses. An absolute baller on his day, should be able to produce great bits of magic for Atletico Madrid. And they've already got a great front line. The only question for me is if their center forward, Luis Suarez, is able to produce at the same level as he did last season. But regardless of that, I still feel like Simeone, with his experience, should be able to retain, I think, for the first time in his career, the La Liga title for Atletico de Madrid. So I'm going with Madrid to be the winning team, and they should be winning the La Liga title. I'll be surprised if you got Madrid or Barca winning this.
Well, I think obviously Atletico Madrid are the clear favorites to win the league. They're not my pick to win the league, but I think they are the clear favorites, and very rightfully so, because they got Rodrigo de Paul, he was a brilliant midfielder, as you mentioned. He is an addition to any team. Secondly, they are linked with Bernardo Silva because he's likely to depart because of the arrival of Jack Grealish to Manchester City. So Bernardo Silva linked with Atletico Madrid is another brilliant signing. He is one of those players who is extremely hardworking and can create chances out of thin air. So that is the kind of player that Bernardo Silva is, and if he goes to Atletico Madrid, then that pushes my argument to rest, and Atletico Madrid will be the key favorites to retain the league title. But I'm going with Barcelona. Barcelona have registered their players due to a 60% wage cut that Gerard Piqué did. So hats off to Piqué for being the Al Presidente of Barcelona, and now they have their four new signings available to them to play in La Liga. So that is a very good thing to do on Piqué's part. Ronald Koeman has already mentioned that loss of Messi is a big deal for any team in the world, and obviously Barcelona was his heart and soul. So they have to cope with it, and Ronald Koeman looked really positive when he was talking before their opening day fixture. So I think Ronald Koeman is a great manager who can make good use of this particular squad. When Messi was in Barcelona, it was a one-man team, and when they lost, three players took the blame: Lionel Messi, Sergio Busquets, and Gerard Piqué. Now everybody has to take responsibility, and in doing so, I think Barcelona will perform better as a team, and I think Barcelona might be good enough to get the La Liga title this season. They are my pick for La Liga this season. Real Madrid, a paper-thin squad. Benzema scored 2 goals on the opening day last night, but that is not going to happen in the long run. I think Griezmann is by far, along with Luis Suarez, the favorite to win the top scorer award this season. So I think Barcelona, with the departure of Messi, every dark cloud has a silver lining, and that silver lining will be in the form of league title win for Barcelona this season. Thank you so much for watching another video of FDTV.
It's been great to have you joining us. Again, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Every single subscription helps.
It motivates to put out more football content on a daily basis. Until then, see you next time. FDTV out.